Hey everybody! I don't really want to show my face, so okay, so today we're gonna be like blindfolded, and we have to pick whatever color and whatever color of Play-Doh, and the person that's not blindfolded is gonna mix them up, but these are just for decoration. But these, whatever colors, the purple is 50 points, the pink is 25, and like the tealish green is 10. So
this one was actually more points.
Okay, so I'll go first.
No, I'll go first.
Oh, okay, you're good.
Okay. Right.
Look straight, I can't trust you. Pick one. Stop looking up. I know you're able to see.
This one?
Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom,
Okay, that's
boom,
50
boom,
points.
I got 50 points.
And
50 points for Sophie.
okay, my turn.
Okay, I want to mix
Mix them up. Put them like right here in the row. I don't know where to look. Okay, yeah. I think that's it.
She got 10 points.
Oh, that sucks.
Okay,
Okay.
and then I get this one.
This is a cute mask. This
I
is really
get
cute.
these two because it was the last one. So.
No.
Oh yeah, I have to see.
We're mixing all of it.
Oh yeah, so I
Each
have.
one of us gets 5 tries. So we've
I
already
have.
both gone once.
How much did I have?
You got 50.
Okay.
No. I don't trust you with that much. I'm gonna hold it. You better be close to your eyes. No, I mixed up.
Here, grab it.
Go, pick one.
Hey, there's only 2 here.
No, there's another one. You just haven't found it. Just pick one. Just pick one of the 2.
Hey!
No! See, it's right there. I told you.
Adrian!
Why are you loading a firework? We're like barely started August. Why do you have a firework?